Hi. Alright. Today, well, it's my first time doing unboxing a tablet or anything because I usually don't do it. I usually do K-pop dances and stuff. But today I'm going to be unboxing a LT well, on tablet generation 3. Well, I look on the internet for tablets because I look on the internet for tablet because I want a tablet. I want a tablet because I ain't had one in a while that I really wants to work. And this I got it purple because it had different colors on there. I know black, gray. They don't call it gray. I think it's charcoal. I don't know, but it's one of my favorite colors, purple. I like gray too, but I prefer purple. So, it comes. Oh wow. Okay, it comes with Walmart shopping. Yeah. Product guide. Oh yeah, it tell you the different what to do. Yeah, it show you how to set it up. Pretty cool, huh? And this is a quick start guide. Also tell you how to set it. It just show you how to set up. Now. Oh wait. Okay. Volume here. Power. What's that? Michael. USB. I don't do the headphone jack anymore. Bluetooth headphones. And this little doogie. Bluetooth. Anyway. Alright, it comes with this. And I took the thing out of the paper, so I ain't gotta fuss with it. And a little cord to it. Now, take this out. I'll put you over here. Now, if you like me, it does not come with a case. The case so separates. So I had to get a case, and I bought a case because I know me. Case for your 10-inch tablet. So I'm unboxing this one too. It's the other color comes with black, so I'm sorry. It doesn't come with. I wish it come with purple, but it doesn't. Oh. Okay, the back. Okay. Look how shiny the back is. Cool. Oh, wait. Might me 2 minutes to put this thing in there and because I don't want to break it. Yeah, I don't want to break it, so it gives me fun for that. Yeah, I'm having a little trouble doing this call. Yeah. Yeah, before I actually show you how to do it, I'm gonna put it in here because I don't want it to break it. I'm not saying I will, but I got sticky fingers. Voila. Okay, it fixed. Now, I'll turn this back on. Add it on for. It turns on when I was putting it in. Put it in. Anyway, look how pretty that is. It's nice and crispy. Oh, screen detector. I'm gonna need to buy a screen detector because your fingerprints could be all over this. So let's see how it is. I mean, my first time. Usually when I get like a tablet, I don't get this big of size because it's like fucking thing. This freaking thing is heavy. Excuse my French. I didn't mean to curse. Sorry. This thing is heavy for me, but I love it because it's a little bigger than what I got. I have like the small ones. Anyway. And today is not Sunday, September 25th. I'm going to do that later. Just call it unboxing. Now it's going to tell me you need to. It's going to tell you go to all the process of welcome, blah blah blah. All this. This is what I'm going to show you. Look how pretty that you do all that. I'm going to put in right now. I'm not going to put in the password or Wi-Fi. You can add your Wi-Fi to it. This is my channel's unboxing right now. Anyway, this is it. You got entertainment space, it says on there, which is cool. The little big old bar right here with the little Google thing. You can sign in. I'm not gonna sign in right now, so no. There's a camera. That's the camera. Now the battery life on here is cool. 91%. Usually tablets and Androids, like tablets and cell phones, do not come this really full. It always comes like 50%, lucky 50, most likely 40. And I ain't got to charge. I like it. I ain't really had to charge. It's 91%. So that's like my unboxing. I got me a little pipe, so I'm gonna tear this up. Then I'm going to like clean it for a little bit because, like I said, my fingerprints gonna be all over. It's gonna be all over it. So, okay, that's it. I'm going. Well, my next one, I'm thinking about decorating it because I'm a big, huge BTS fan. So right now, this is it. This is like the best. I'm going. In my next video, I'm going to show you like the internet and then YouTube and everything. Right now, this is just me unboxing and everything. And like I said, you have this if you need help. You got guidance right here to help you out. This right here to help you out if you actually don't know what's what. But there you go, ladies and gentlemen. A 10-inch. And 10-inch tablet. 10.1 tablet. So yes. Bye. Have a good evening.